G'day guys, it's Alex and
Ruben!
Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you yet another unboxing.
An exciting one, Alex. This is a little bit of a special one for me because this series that we're doing, this is from Germania Mint. This was actually the first time I heard of Germania. I think back in 2022 with their Germanic Beast, which is the same series as this. I think I've seen Germania Beast, Mythical Beast, I've kind of seen both. But with the Fenrir, it was the dog.
I do remember that one.
I think it made waves, and yeah, it's a series that's continued. It's had a few years off. I think it went from 2022, maybe 2023 to 2025. But yeah, let's take a look at this one.
Let's have a look at the 2026.
We've got Sleipnir. I'm probably butchering that. Someone Polish in the comments below, feel free to let me know.
Yeah, Desi, once we recover from the shock of hearing that, just let us know how you pronounce it.
Yeah, sorry, mate.
Right.
But yeah, we've got those there. Let's take a closer look.
Oh, that is nice. As expected. That's the obverse, no, reverse, sorry. And then the obverse here. Oh, wow. Okay, I see what's happening here. I remember now, Rubes.
Yeah, so we've got to put one next to each other. Kind of get the continuation of the beast.
You know what this is for me, Rubes? This is the coin equivalent of a stacker bar. You can't just get one.
Can't just get one. So you've got a lot of empty space over the left-hand side there, but it really just draws your eye then to the beast itself.
It is. It is a beautiful design in a beautiful series, and with the other ones. In this series from Germania and other Germania coins, they do come with an individual certificate of authenticity.
Which is also a cool, nice little touch. Not something typically needed or whatever for bullion products, but it's nice that they throw it in.
Yeah, and I know we get asked this quite a few times from new customers. Do you need a certificate or receipt to bring back when you sell back? Absolutely not, but it's just another cool piece to have with your coin.
Sadly, to intercept the questions before they come in the comments down below, we are only getting the BU, the Bullion version, Bullion uncirculated of these. So sadly, not getting our hands on the numismatic versions. But hopefully it's something we can change moving forward. Because, like I said, this is a very, very cool series, and I don't think I'm alone in the fact that this was the one that kind of made me aware of Germania. I think there might be a few other people with a similar story.
Yeah, I'm certainly in that boat as well. Yeah, I'm just curious to see how many people will buy one as opposed to two.
Yes,
just for the full effect. But I'm sure they'll sell pretty well.
Fantastic series, Germania. Keep it up, and thank you to everyone for watching. We will see you in the next one.
See ya.